Hi, it's Serena from the Bob's Red Mill Test Kitchen. Today we are making crustless pumpkin pie. I'm really excited about this one. It is a family favorite. Comes together real easy. We're going to use a blender, put it all together, mix it up, bake it, let it cool, and it's ready to go. It will become your favorite too. One of my favorite things about this pie is that instead of using an actual crust that you have to take the time to roll out and put together, refrigerate, bake off, this one forms its own crust on the bottom, so it's got like a nice cakey layer, and then in the center it's nice and custardy like a traditional pumpkin pie would be. So it's super easy, don't have to have any fuss, no time, no rolling, and you'll love it. It's super easy and it's gonna be a favorite.